relativity. You know, Albert Einstein came out with this theory of relativity because nothing is relative. What you see to be 1 hour, somebody else look at it to be 2 hours. What looks to be 24 hours, to somebody is just 2 hours. You see, if I ask you to describe me, those who are very close to me will give a distinct description, right? Yes. Those all the way in the back will also do the same, but those who are in the front will give more accurate and distinct. So their description cannot be the same. And they are looking at the same time. That means time and space is not relative. It's not relative. So in Surah Al-Ma'arij, there is one ayah where Allah said, تَحْرُجُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَرُوحُ إِلَيْهِ فِي يَوْمٍ كَانَ مِقْدَارُهُ 50 أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ. Whatever you think of, the speed at which you do your stuff, in 50 years, the angels used to do that in 24 hours. في يوم, the angels. مِقْدَارُهُ 50 أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ. Me and you, the same time frame, they see it in 24 hours. Me and you in this dunya, it takes us 50,000 years. That means time is not relative. That is the quantum of Albert Einstein. E equals mc to the second power, right? The energy plus speed of light to the second power. It's a lot of calculation. That will give you the nuclear explosion. It's very easy. If there is a blackboard, I can demonstrate and give some, calculus as we go through the numbers and everything. So, in order for you, let me give an example on the relative time, relativity. From here to the United States, about 11,000 miles. It depends. When you're going, I think it's 11,000 miles, but when you come in, it's 10,000 miles. Because you're coming with the wind. The wind is behind you. It pushes the plane faster. But when you're going, you're climbing, and the wind is pushing you, so it kind of there's that drag. So the time varies. The time varies. Now, if you use at the Malaika in 24 hours, and we human beings 50,000 years of our counting, whatever we do, our connection, our intelligentsia, 50,000 years. Whatever happens, the angels can use that 24 hours to finish that 50,000 years. So the time is not relative. So to find the speed of an angel, scientists have attempted. Professor Max, who is very powerful in physics, he attempted to know the speed of an angel. So if I was told that there is one angel of death, go? Yes. One. Malak al-Maut. He traveled all over the world, anywhere, any place, under the water, anywhere. How could he do that? How? See, I begin to think, no, man, that's how? This aeroplane crash here, people are, the whole house is burned, this and that, in America. How did he do that? Now, with the help of the theory of relativity, it's easy for me to understand. Now I understand that Allah said they will give you your Jannah, it will be as big as this, more than this dunya. Now I understand, because I understand what is happening in the universe, how big the universe is. No problem, I understand. It's easy to understand if you know. At the same time, the speed of light of the angels. If you look at the fan, maybe it has 4 blades. I don't know. Is it 4 or 5?
3.
Okay, 3. Once you put it on, it started oscillating. It started. It goes at an angle that you can't even see. You can't even see this, the blade at all.
Yes.
That's how the angels operate. The speed of an angel, scientifically, they call it tachyon. Tachyon is the only, explanation of the speed of the unknown low tide or low side, which is the unknown low side means something existed that has a speed beyond our rationale, yet it exists. So the angels were used as as a pilot. So now we know that to know the distance of the angel, 24 hours, whatever the angel do, we do it in 50,000 years. So before you get the answer, you have to convert 24 hours times 12, whatever number you have, times 1 year. Whatever number you have, then you multiply it by 50,000. Whatever number you have is the distance, the nearest distance of the angel. That means an angel can go to the United States and come back 25 times less than within 1 second. Wallahi. Within 1 second, the angel can go to America. 25 times. 1 second. 1 second is like this, in case you don't know. It's 1 second. And the angel can go 25 times. How? So now I understand. The angel can take everybody's soul within a second. Speak. The angel, you don't play, you don't mess around with the angels.